In the previous video, we have seen that how the brain is trained for Gen AI. With that, we had seen different brains for Gen AI, which are ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Likewise, we also saw where we can find or upload the models, which was the GitHub kind of central repository, which is called as Hugging Face in GenAI. In this video, we are going to see how the brain thinks. The Gen AI thinks through something called as transformer, which uses KQV. KQV stands for key, query, and value. The transformer is the architecture, the design of the brain. And inside it, we have three key parts. As mentioned, key, query, and value. These help the AI focus on important words in a sentence. If you say the cat sat on the mat, the model uses query key value to decide that cat and sat are related. So transformers use KQV to understand the context.